90% NEET aspirants make this one mistake in biology, and because of this their rank suffers. Most students think reading NCERT again and again is enough. They keep highlighting, underlining and rereading the same topic of the same subject. But let me tell you, rereading does not mean learning. You feel confident, but in exam you forget. The real mistake is they do not do active recall, they do not practice questions, they don't revise this topic periodically and scientifically. They read, close the book and nothing in brain. Ask yourself, if you have completed human physiology, can you tell what are the steps of urine formation? What are the events going in during urine formation? How is urine concentrated by counter current? Or what is diabetes insipidus? Mostly, you cannot recall each and every step. What toppers do is very simple. This is what we tell you every day to do in class. Read NCERT once properly. Close the book. Recall everything. Solve 50 to 100 MCQs and same PYQs. Analyze your mistakes. Now repeat these steps over and over again, and this is what we call revision. This revision converts your short-term memory to long-term memory. If you want to score 340 plus in the actual NEET exam in the subject of biology, stop reading NCERT blindly. Understand the core concept first. Understand the meaning of each and every word first. And this is how we train students at Faction.